Lego!
This is when you want this darn thing in here.
Mommy, I got a Lego recycling gun.
No way!
And he found us a ghost here.
Oh man, Carter! You have some things to put together this afternoon, don't
So,
you?
Amy, my Lego garbage truck.
Whoa, awesome! Can you smile at mommy over here?
Goodbye.
I'm done coffee.
Ryan!
Daddy,
Daddy. Yeah.
what's up? Wait. Now I can't see you. Oh, there. Thank you. Got it.
What is it, buddy?
I'm a Lego garbage truck.
That is
Oh.
awesome.
A Lego.
Well, you're going to be able to
garbage
put that together just great.
No, you are.